Hello, this is my wife. You're making your vlog too, huh? She has her own channel too. So this is called the Swan Lake Wildlife Nature Reserve. And we are in one of their, they call it the bird blind. It's like a little house, like a little station where you can observe, watch the birds. And inside there are two little windows there. That's right. But before I show you how, the view from the windows, let me show you what's outside. There's a couple of ducks there in the water. Oh, I can see it's red. Is it a duck or a bird? It has a red color feather in the body. Wow, so quiet here. I saw one senior lady walking down below with some binoculars. Where did she go?
Are you sure?
It's probably, yeah, I saw her walking this way.
Maybe a ghost?
No. There's a trail you can go down close to the water.
Are you sure? I didn't see her.
Huh? It's probably over there. So let's get inside they call this the bird blind. Bird blind, just like your window blinds. And these are the birds that you can watch. Oh. Okay, here are the window blinds. There's benches there's a bench where you can sit and watch from inside. There you go. Nice view. You hear the singing birds. Oh yeah, right in the water there I see 6 birds swimming in the middle. There's a flying bird there. Ah. Wow, there's plenty of birds here. This is a 57-hectare land. It's a quiet afternoon. So come here in Swan Lake. This is like 10 minutes drive from Princeton town center. I highly recommend if you want to see the beauty of a town, you have to stay there at least a day and explore the outskirts. Then that's how you discover the town. Okay. I see birds landing in the water. See? Yes. Did you hear them? Did you hear the splash? I did. Hope you enjoyed the view, and I hope you're enjoying the content. I'm a YouTuber. Please subscribe to my channel, Joseph Alvin Almeida, the evangelist. I share the gospel and at the same time showcase some nature here in beautiful British Columbia. God bless you and hope you enjoy this one. Say hi. This is my wife, Gina.
I have to cover my nose because of the...
There's no more COVID.
No, it's the insect.
Oh, the bugs?
In front of me, the bugs.
Okay, see you in the next one.